Don't screw this corner up, though.
Cowboy hats? Oh, that's kind of funny. Looked like the village people died back there. Did you see that?
No, I sure didn't. Do you think people died?
Well, there was a construction worker's hat on one of the little pole things, and there was a cowboy hat on another one, and a baseball cap on another one. So either people left their things there as a memorial, or the village people fell off the cliff.
Oh, maybe that's what it is. Somebody was making a funny joke. We're going to shoot for that. Little bitty deer.
Oh, cute.
Bambi.
They're babies.
They're tiny. And we have officially reached Vance, Texas.
Hi, Vance.
The cute little town of Vance.
So we could probably live here too.
Woo-hoo! You know what my biggest fear is on a road like this?
Deer?
Another motorcyclist.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody who tries to come through one of these corners and can't make it. There's a tree right up ahead where we can pull over, right up on the right. And stretch your leg. And have shade. Mountain home is the direction we want to go.
That's a nice little tree. And a lot of rocks.
Yeah.
Robin has completed 2 legs of the Three Sisters ride in South Texas.
I feel like I've still got my 2 legs.
And now she's ready for a break.
Yeah.
We've got 41. We've got a short section of Highway 41 to do to 336 back into Lakey, and we will be swimming in the river just as soon as we have lunch, take pain meds, and possibly a nap. Well, this is the first time I think we've ever tried to record with this running with you and I.
It's still going?
No, it's not on right now. The what?
I do kind of wish you recorded me stretching and then the guy
Oh.
by.
Oh, geez, his face was hilarious.
Go. Alright, get me home and make me some steak.
Okay.
Van slave. Oh, sorry, I probably shouldn't say that. Huh?
Here we go. And it is beautiful.
Yeah. I just live here, honey. Rivers, snorkeling, and motorcycle rides.
It's all the good stuff, baby.
Yeah.
So I know I'm going to be repeating this, but I'm doing it with that turned on. I turned that guy on.
Okay.
Alright, so we just got on to 336, headed south back into Lakey. The last leg of the Three Sisters ride. We just got off of 41, and this particular part of the ride has a little bit of a characteristic of you're up on top of the hills more often, and your view looking off to the sides is pretty cool. Just a little different. Seems like I remember there's a lot of different private ranches off this particular stretch of road. Since it said 45, we'll see, but I think this cattle guard, try and hit it right. Well, that wasn't too bad.
That wasn't bad. Hit it well. Yeah.
Pow. Oh,
Wow.
sorry. Bump.
Oh, yeah.
Brace yourself.
I think I left the tailbone back there.
You need me to go back for it?
No, I doubt that it would grasp back. Wow.
Let's shut her down to 30-ish.
That's probably smart.
All right, baby, we did it. That was
We did
it.
Yay.
That was the Three Sisters ride.
Why do I feel like we only did 2.5?
I'm sorry, baby.
Feels like it.
Good job, baby.
Thank you, baby.
What's that?
Thanks for letting me stop so many times.
Absolutely. Trying to make this as enjoyable as possible, even though I know you're uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But I appreciate your diligence and wanting to be on.
Yeah.
And it's really not, I mean, a massively long ride at 100 miles. It's just when your legs are pissed off and your body's not happy,
Yeah.
it's a little bit tougher.
Yeah. The first hour is enjoyable. After that, it's tolerable, and then the next part's pretty kind of miserable. I'm ready to put my feet.
Get off?
I'm ready to put my feet off.
Well, somebody's probably down here by the water since there was a truck back there. Oh, I don't see anybody. Oh,
There.
there's
Looks like the same people from yesterday.
yep, it is.